Has a lid.
What we got going on here, Jordan?
Fucking kick some ass, dude, and take some people out.
On your pit bike? It looks like it's leaking a little bit of gas right here.
I'm gonna watch you guys.
Sick, dude. Hey, nice of you to show up there, Jake.
Where's your straps? You got
Hell yeah.
Jake's straps.
It's gonna be a sick day.
I don't even know if I'm gonna ride. But I just barely bought them and then I moved.
Yeah, it didn't flick down.
And I didn't know where they were.
Sick. Looking stylish. If I can race in any of these open classes, I'm only gonna take Jake out. That's my game plan.
I'm not gonna race because you said that. I'll race you to show you the ball.
No, I don't want to race Paul. Paul actually will hit you. He's mean. He will literally fucking put his tire into your heel and you will be hurting for weeks.
I got called an asshole by some kids on YouTube because I cleaned them out.
They deserved it. You ready or what? You gonna lose, dude? Race in the pit bike class. I'll fucking smoke you. You're probably right. I probably can't.
Dude, send it.
What the hell is that thing? Is that a carburetor?
Dude,
Don't you know?
hating on the fucking pitter, dude. It'll smoke you.
You gotta know what you gotta do here. This is called fuel injection. Okay. We're just getting a little track preview of this place. Looks pretty sick. Got a little packing in right there. A little double. It's gonna be sick. I don't know if my Surron can make that finish line jump back there, right there. It's pretty big.
It's pretty big. That's decent. If you stay on the outside, you might be able to get it. Stay on the outside.
We'll try.
Wide.
I'm definitely casing that shit, but I'm gonna try.
And then brake hard on going the inside. You got the lead, dude. None of those fools with the big wattage batteries are jumping that thing. Beer money ride.
Hey!
What are you doing, buddy?
How you doing?
Good. How's one of you up here?
All right, we got the Surron class here, right here. This is the OG stock class right here.
I'll beat you guys in my Stasic.
Shit talker, dude. Yeah! That's what we like to hear. That's sick. It's gonna be a good time.
Oh, Jake's not racing?
Yeah, he said no.
We're not gonna have any practice sessions, but we're just gonna send it. Whatever happens,
Are you
happens.
guys coming tomorrow too or no?
All right, we're just chilling at the beer money tent, getting a little fire going, getting ready for our mentally prepared for this race. Basically, is what's going on here. You got to get mentally prepared. We got Factory Phil's pit bike out here. Got Jay Swin's pit bike out here. Got Jacob Newart's pit bike. It's gonna be a good time. Surron Sanderson just showed up in a brand new van. Check out this van. Just bought this today. So sick. Phil's out here taking a piss. It's gonna be a sick day. Jay Swans, what's going on here?
Do you think it'll be okay to run this?
I knew it was gonna show up fucking dirt, dude.
Where is it connected at?
Do you see the
connected to your
the frame?
Your frame's not connected to your motor there.
Do you think that's good to run?
Yeah, it's a big bike. Yeah.
Alright.
Be gnarly if this thing just dumped off the side of the track, just hits the ground. Motor gone.
Good, dude.
Then you're gonna have to get a little Honda.
Or a Surron. I'll probably get a Surron.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. All right, we're just watching practices right now. Getting ready. Getting ready for an ultimate race. It's gonna be sick. Can't wait.
Dude, that was so gnarly. Oh, I can't believe you just. That was huge. Yeah, I can't. You kept going too.
So put your faith in me. 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 So put your faith in me.
the podium. Yeah, baby. Hey, you got it. Hey. Third place. Third place, baby. That's good. That's good. Woo. That's our second and third place winner right here. Yeah, dude. That's right. Woo! You had it until you wanted that whoop section, dude. That was gnarly. Oh my God. I got it on video. I was right in front of that. We're right behind you on that. Yeah, that was gnarly. That was so good. That was a good shit right there, guys. I'm so fucking dead, dude. That was a good race. Hey, you can't double those. Yeah, I hear me behind you. I was like, oh my God. Yeah. I was like, well, I saw you fucking coming, dude. I was like, God damn. Sick. Hell yeah, Brayden. Putting in work. I got you bailing. I got you crashing the corner. Hey, you were on it though. I went in fucking hot to that back. You did. You were like, no. Doesn't matter. Your bike sounds so sick. I can hear it between everybody's. Oh, dude, it's so fun just laughing at it. Dude, so sick. Looking good, boys. That was sick. Hell yeah, we got all the boys. Jordan took third, dude. Sick. Yeah. That's podium right there. Yeah, podium. Hey, you know what? You had to try to catch Paul, and then he crashed right in front of you. That was bad. That was sick. Good stuff. Oh yeah, well. Sick, boys. Yo, Jordan, that was a sick race. Yo. You killed it, dude. That was so good. You got the setups here too. Got the fire out here. You came prepared. Always, dude. You look always good. Come prepared. You got the good setup. Got all the homies here. Such a good race. What up? What up with it? What up with it?
Clog, you might need a pokey sticky.
What happened out there, Paul?
Well, I tried doubling the singles and it didn't work. It got fucking wild.
He's manualing.
Yeah, the first one was pretty good.
Yeah.
The first one I started going through pretty good. Like I was skimming the top in a weird way. I thought I was gonna go over the bars. Well, the second time I did not.
What's that close. Mad skills where you go too far back and you loop out? Dude, you were riding it right here until it got out of control.
That's gnarly. That was a good race though. That was so sick.
He's taking the different lines though around the outside.
Yeah, definitely. Everyone was cutting the inside, trying to cut people off.
Yeah.
He was like, fuck yeah,
dude,
I'm going wide.
Dude, you're riding like Tomac on the tight turns or whatever. On the outside, you're just like, yeah. I was like, all right.
Dude, you're fucking real.
Yeah, I know.
No cap, that was sick. Hell yeah, knuckles. That was dope.
Dude, fucking good job.
You look good out there.
Thanks, brother.
You got a little sketch in a couple areas.
I know.
It was sick though to watch.
That little pit bike, dude. I'm a big motherfucker on a little
I
bike.
was like, go kid.
Dude, what was this? Hold on, let's flip the camera around here.
Oh yeah.
Look at this guy right here. That in the original e-bike.
I got the Surron jumping the double. That was pretty sick.
Dude.
I was pretty.
Give me some. That was.
Hey, you know what? It's only got 7,500 watts. Okay, they had 5,000. That was close. At least he's got a Surron. Oh, that was fucked up.
Where's yours, Brayden?
Too soon. Too soon. Sorry, Brayden. That was fucked up.
You still got another one.
Yeah, that's true. At least you won a 450.
Yeah, at least I won a 450. Yeah.
That's worth it, I guess. For losing a Surron, I guess it's not that bad.
If I had to choose between that 450 and my Surron, I would choose my Surron.
Oh, sick. I like it. Such a good race.
Buy the new one on this
George.
Drop it on him?
Yeah, just drop
I can't do it by one leg though.
I got this leg. I already loosened that leg. We're good to go. Keaton, grab that leg and loosen up, and I'll tell you when. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Pull it down on him. Pull it down on him. Dang it. I didn't hit anybody? Damn it. I'm going to piss on you. Bring on the heat, bruh.
It's on fire.
It's on fire.